Just beat the bottle of Jericho, around Jericho, around Jericho. Just beat the bottle of Jericho, and the walls come tumbling down.
Good morning, Sister Mary. Good morning, Brother John. I want to stop and talk with you to tell you how come along. I know you can't come John, but he was the son of man. He never stopped, he worked until the war was done.
Knows just to beat the bottle of Jericho, around Jericho, around Jericho.